we explain how to prevent unwanted pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases. This is Lena and her boyfriend, Kamal. They have just fallen in love and they want to sleep with each other for the first time. Of course, they know about the risk of pregnancy, but they consider themselves way too young to have a child. Because of that, talking about contraception before their first time is important. They already know of the contraceptive pill, the coil, and condoms. But this information is too basic. How does birth control actually work, and which method is the safest? These questions are answered by a gynecologist. In order for a woman to get pregnant, her body releases an egg cell from her ovaries. It moves into the womb, where it waits for a sperm cell to fertilize it. If the egg cell is fertilized, the concentration of the feminine sex hormone estrogen increases in the blood. Among